Have you ever wondered what actually happens when you tap a website? Where does the internet even live? The internet is not a cloud in the sky. It's a massive network of computers connected by cables. Think of the internet as millions of computers talking to each other.
A server is a powerful computer that stores websites and sends them to you.
Your phone or laptop is called a client. It asks servers for information.
When you type a website address, your device sends a request. DNS works like the internet's phone book. It translates website names into IP addresses. Your request travels through routers across the world to find the right server. A router directs internet traffic, like a traffic cop for data. Information travels in small pieces called packets. Each packet can take a different path to reach you. When the packets arrive, your device puts them back together. That's how your web page loads in seconds. Most internet data travels through fiber optic cables under the ocean. Your messages cross oceans through physical cables. Wi-Fi just connects your device to your router. It's not the internet itself. It sends data using radio waves.
Downloading means receiving data. Uploading means sending data.
That click travels to a server and updates instantly. Big platforms use massive server farms. A data center is a building full of servers. No electricity, no internet.
Cloud storage just means your files are stored on remote servers.
When you stream, data keeps flowing continuously.
Too many requests cause internet traffic jams.
Bandwidth is how much data can travel at once. Latency is the delay between sending and receiving data.
That's why low ping is important for gaming.
HTTPS encrypts your data to keep it secure.
Encryption scrambles information so hackers can't read it.
A hacker tries to intercept data. A firewall protects your network. That's tracking data at work. Search engines scan and index billions of pages. Bots called crawlers explore websites. Algorithms decide what you see. A speed test measures download and upload speed. Some internet comes from satellites in orbit. 5G is a faster wireless communication standard. When cables break, parts of the internet go down. There's no single internet switch. Some systems use distributed networks. Emails move server to server. Video calls send data both ways in real time.
The internet works 24/7.
So the internet isn't magic. It's cables, servers, routers, and billions of requests working together in milliseconds.